Again, we're currently 60 nautical miles to Manila and currently an hour descent. Based on the latest weather report, we're expecting good weather in Manila with light winds and ground temperature of 32 degrees Celsius. We expect to arrive in Manila arrive in Manila at 30 minutes past the hour of 1, and we will inform you immediately should there be any changes. Please enjoy the rest of the flight, and again we would like to thank you for choosing to fly Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay!